Hello everyone, I hope you liked the second chapter and I hope it wasn't as hard as you thought it would be. Today, I will explain how to collect all the data and all the information that you need to create dialogues for yourself from Google. So you saw the dialogues that I used. Now you will need more of them in order to practice more like this. So you can start by watching your favorite movies or your favorite YouTube vlogs. Or you can simply Google meeting new friends dialogue. This is how it looks like. Now don't forget that you can use all the other apps and resources that I talked about in the first chapter to do the same. I'm now just giving you the method of how to, okay? So, I'll open my Google now, and let's start. So you basically start off by opening Google, obviously, and then you start searching English conversation for blah, 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 blah. Travel, coffee time, shopping, whatever you need. This case, we are going to do travel, and we are going to find any website out there that has conversations. Ready. Okay, here we have a few of them, and talking to a seatmate on an airplane is going to be our choice for today. Let's first listen to the conversation.
That rain is really coming down out there.
Yes, it's kind of crazy weather outside.
I get kind of nervous flying in this kind of weather.
I don't think anyone feels all that comfortable flying in a storm.
Do you think it will be this bad the whole trip?
On the Weather Channel, this storm looked to be a big one. It will probably be with us for a while.
I worry about too much ice on the wings.
I have to believe that our pilot knows what he is doing and will be okay.
When do you think the pilot will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign?
He'll turn it off as soon as he knows that we are through the turbulence.
Do you think that we are going to crash?
Maybe. You just never know.
That rain is really coming down out there, don't you think? Yeah, it's kind of crazy weather outside. I agree. I get kind of nervous flying in this kind of weather, you know. I don't think anyone feels all that comfortable flying in a storm, you know. Do you think it will be this bad the whole trip? On the Weather Channel, the storm looked to be a big one. Big one. You know, it will probably be with us for a while. I worry about too much ice on the wings. I have to believe that our pilot knows what he's doing and that we will be okay. Don't worry. When do you think the pilot will turn off the fasten your seatbelt sign? He will turn it off as soon as he knows that we are through the turbulence. Do you think we're going to crash? Maybe. You just never know. Well, social media videos are very easy, actually, to be used to create content for yourself. I just want you to know that when you use social media for this, you should be watching videos that you like. So like if you go to YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, you gotta follow people and watch videos that you like. Don't go searching for English teachers and English lessons. No, this is not natural English. Natural English is basically when you want to learn how to bake a pie and you go to YouTube and you search for a video how to bake a pie in English, and then the person speaks in English how to bake a pie and you pick up the new vocabulary from that video. For example, I follow some models on Instagram, okay, and these models are great and they talk about morning routines, they talk about skincare routines, they talk about food they eat. And the other day this model posted a story, and I realized that her story had a lot of new words for English learners, and I want to use that story in this example right now, and I want to show you how to take new vocabulary from that story, how to create a conversation for yourself with the new vocabulary, and how to practice the same way we practice the airplane conversation, okay? Shall we try to do that now? Let's go. I am choosing a video of one of my favorite models, and she's really funny and silly, and there's a new word for you in this video.
Hey everybody, I hope you're well and safe. As some of you may know, I'm pretty crazy, so I'm gonna do something mad. I'm gonna give out my number so you guys can text me. Check it out. Hey everybody, I hope you're well and safe. As some of you may know, I'm pretty crazy, so I'm gonna do something mad. I'm gonna give out my number so you guys can text me. Check it out.
Here's an example sentence from my life that includes the word mad, okay? I have a little tiny dog. Here's a picture of him. And my dog is completely mad, okay? His name is Bubby, and he does all kinds of crazy things. He's a mad dog. A funny dog. Thank you for watching this video. Now let's go to the outro one, and let's go to the third chapter. It's gonna be challenging, so get ready.